Hello everyone, my name is Javier Centeno Moreira. I am one of your tutors for this course, English Efficiency 4. So here today in this instructional video, I'm going to go over 4 lessons of Unit 1, Life Should Be Fun. So these are the lessons: grammar lesson 4, writing lesson 4, vocabulary lesson 4, and reading lesson 4. Let's start with grammar. So English is not as difficult as Spanish, that's the title, and the learning objective is can make comparisons using as with adjectives and adverbs. So here a little bit of an explanation, comparisons of equality. So we can compare two things that have equal characteristics using as. For example, she is as tall as I am. We can also use make comparisons using either adjectives or adverbs. So here we have another example using an adjective. It's the same, actually the same one as the previous one. She's as tall as I am. This is an adjective, but also we can use adverbs, like for example, in this example here, Benji runs as fast as Cody. So we use here the adverb fast. We can also make them negative in negative form using the not. For example, he's not as shy as I am. Okay, so here we have another example that you can find in the lesson later on. For example, you have to put this sentence in the correct form. The black car is as fast as the green car. Here, English is important. In Spanish, you have to decide whether A, B, or C is the correct answer. Good. Let's go now to the writing lesson. Every day of your life is a special occasion. So here the learner objective is can write an email, letter, congratulating someone on something. The first exercise was this lesson. You have to look at the following pictures. It's very simple, and then decide what kind of celebrations are they. So just look at the pictures and decide if it's graduation, birthday, or wedding. Exercise number 4, lesson of the writing lesson. You also have to read a couple of texts and then decide whether these are this is a graduation or getting a job. So it's very simple. Exercise number 6, you have to read the letters again and then complete the chart with the right information. So just place the information under the right category, whether it's found on Joseph's letter or on Amanda's letter. Okay, to finish this writing lesson, this exercise is about completing the blank spaces with the words in the box. So you have 4 words, and then you have to put each one of them on the corresponding space. Okay, we go to the vocabulary lesson, the cleanest cities in the world. So here you have to understand and use words related to the environment. You can look at these following cities. Where are they located? So basically you have to just decide which country it's this city found. Okay, so Chicago is where? United States or Denmark? So you have to decide the country. Okay, the next exercise, read a short article about the cleanest cities in the world. Take note of the most important characteristics of each city. So you have to read this text right here about 4 cities and then decide which are the answers to these questions. Okay, which one is seen as the most environmentally friendly city? Okay, and then here you have to match one of the characteristics to each of these cities. Okay. Lesson 4, vocabulary, exercise number 7. You have to pay attention to the words involved in the text and then read the descriptions and match them with the word in this box. Okay. So basically, just place one of these words in any of these blank spaces. Okay, we go to the reading lesson. They look the same, but they aren't. Here, the students have to identify similarities and differences between 2 short texts in the same topic. So you have 2 texts, and then you have to decide which title goes in each of these 2 texts. Okay. Number 3, complete the sentences with a word from the box. You have 4 words in this box, and you have to place them in any of these 4 blank spaces. And then read the text again and answer this specific question about the text. Okay, good. Now let's go to the final lesson, reading. They look the same, but they aren't. Identify similarities between the 2 texts, place them under the correct category. So you have 4 options of similarities. Only 2 of them are similarities, and you have to place them in any of these 2 spaces. What does the following sentence refer to? So what does this expression mean? No one knows for sure. A, B, or C. Okay, so this is all for this instructional video. I hope you enjoyed it and it's useful for your course. Thank you. Goodbye.